Hey guys, right, this is where the student makes an error. If you watch now, it's going to take a little bit of time because we're following this cyclist and you can tell it's quite narrow, plus there's a brow over hill, so you never overtake on a brow over hill. And then look at the lovely gap that the student's leaving, and this is perfect. We literally were talking about this before, like if you've got a cyclist, leave like a 2-car gap behind them, a car gap when you're going past them, and then you're all good to go. So the student's doing fantastic. This is a, even more than necessary gap, but it's better safe than sorry. So they're staying there. The cyclist is staying really well in their lane. The problem we're going to have is the frustration is now kicking in with the student that they're staying behind him for too long and they want to overtake him. But what's coming up is a junction and a split in the road, a fork. So you don't know where the cyclist is going, but you cannot overtake at this point, and it's quite dangerous. Now you've got the island there right next to us, cyclist, and the cyclist wants to go right, but we're going straight ahead and we've cut them off, and the examiner said that the cyclist wanted to go right. There's no indication they want to go right, but still you should not be overtaking at this point. Look at this now. It's quite dangerous. There are parked vans on the left. There's an island right there, and there's a bend on the right. So really just ticking all the boxes of what not to do there. So be careful of that, and hopefully you guys won't make that error.